Manipur State Legal Services Authority and National Legal Services Authority ki miyang makada National Lok Adalat ngasi Lamphelpat Court Complex da pangthokkhre thoramasi gamari lena Manipur High Court ke Chief Justice M Sundarna phongtoropada National Lok Adalat asi Manipur apunmagi oina chahi asi oina marilak pangthoklapagi oina ngasi na aroibni amadi ngasi pangthokliba National Lok Adalat asi Manipur ge 9 Judicial District da pangthokli mahak na makata na phongtoropada National Lok Adalat asi MAS LSA State Legal Services Authority amadi High Legal Services Committee ga kutsamnadra pangtokpani.
There is a very friendly atmosphere that is prevailing, which is facilitating easy settlement. Most importantly, the team, including the volunteers who have worked in this, have ensured that as regards banks, financial institutions, officers who have the mandate to settle here and now are present, so that there is no further delay. For instance, in one of the cases pertaining to a micro bank,